seed of a CA, for which Navkar is water, fertilizer and sunlight. Nourishing an amateur, you indeed direct us with your unmatchable foresight.
Happy Teachers Day. Yes, CA is my vision. CA is my vision and you are the helping hands in this mission. टीचर्स के लिए सिर्फ 4 लाइन बोलना चाहूँगा कि अभी तो बहुत कुछ सीखना बाकी है, लेकिन सर पर सिर्फ गुरु का हाथ काफ़ी है। और हाँ, शब्दों का चयन करने में, पेन पकड़ने से शब्दों का चयन करने में आपका ही हाथ है। बहुत नसीब पाया है कि आज मेरे गुरु मेरे साथ में है,
Hello everyone, I am Sachin Joshi. I am a student at Navkar Digital Institute from April 2020. During that time, I was very much anxious about how the things will go on ahead, because most of the education centers were either off or not responding to the calls, text and the emails. That time I came to know about the Navkar Institute and I enrolled myself for the CA Final Group 1. Today I am very much satisfied with the teachings of the faculties, especially Harsh Kacharia sir, Vatsal Shah sir and Nikhil Jobanputra sir. I have attended all your classes. This pandemic has not only impacted socially, economically but financially also. And I would say NDA has taken a great decision in this regard. We as a student, we don't need to bother much about our further studies. The test series that we have, that the Navkar Institute has provided us, that's excellent. And study material is also very nice. You get complete coverage of the institute material also. So I will say you people are doing much more than the teaching. Thank you for being there. Thank you for helping us in this pandemic where we couldn't find where we have to go, because we were like aimless that what will happen, how can we start our study for the CA final, because it's due in May 2021. So thank you all once again. Happy Teachers Day to everyone. Thank you Navkar Institute.
मुझे तरसाए तेरा साया छेड़ के चूमता, तुझ मुस्काए तुझ शर्माए, जैसे मेरा है खुदा झूमता। तू ही मेरी है बरकत, तू ही मेरी इबादत, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू, तुझमें रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझमें रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझमें रब।
Good evening, respected principal sir and beloved teachers. Myself Prachi Suni. It is well known fact that every year we celebrated 5th September as a Teachers Day in the memory of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan ji. 5th September is the birthday of Radhakrishnan ji. He was first Vice President in India and second President of India's post-independence. We are not celebrating this day with our teachers due to COVID-19 pandemic. The schools are closed. But even these teachers are working hard for us due to this pandemic. Teachers take up virtual online classes for us to make a career bright. It gives an immense pleasure to talk about teachers, the builder of the nation, the shape of the every destiny of every student, the creator of world-class resources, personalities, and the greatness behind every great mind. Teachers are our blessings for us in many ways. A light in the world, the beacon in the dark, and hope gives us strength to survive. Teachers, you are a generator of spirit for us, and who never let give over treat and make us realize that failure is the stepping stone to success, which can never at any point of life. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
Good noon all the students and teachers and respected our trustee. Today is celebrated as the Sarfa Ali Radhakrishna birthday. On this occasion we celebrated the Teachers Day. Teachers are our respected parents and the teachers are our second parents. They can guide the student. On this pandemic situation, the teachers guide the student with online education. Teachers are the very most powerful friend of the students and they can give the right advice to students. Thank you very much.
और गलत क्या ये बात सिखाते हैं आप, झूठ क्या है और सच क्या ये बात समझाते हैं आप, जब कुछ सूझता नहीं कुछ भी राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप, और जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, जब बंद हो जाते हैं सारे दरवाजे नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप, सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है, ढूंढती तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबुदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है, तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला जो हो गया है काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। मुश्किल सही आसान हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं जाना तेरा मान जाना मेरा, ढूंढते तेरी हंसी मिल गई खुशी। राह में तेरी रूह है तेरी, ढूंढते तेरे साथ मिल गई खुदी। लो हो गया है काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। मुश्किल सही आसान हुई क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers and respected sir. Teachers push us to attain our motivation and understand our problems without the need to tell them. Teachers are like magicians who use their magic wands to help us make our lives easier and more fruitful. The most important thing we must follow is to revere and value our teachers, who are very incredible. They have been our guiding spirits and role models, and we are grateful to them. Now, I would like to say one shairi on teachers. गुमनामी में अंधेरे में था पहचान बना दिया, दुनिया के गम से मुझे अनजान बना दिया। उनकी ऐसी कृपा हुई, गुरु ने मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया। गुरु बिना ज्ञान नहीं, गुरु सुनी बिना सुने है जिंदगी को। गुरु बिना ना मिले सत्य का राज, जब मिले गुरु का ज्ञान तो हो जाए सत्य का ज्ञान। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे अगेन।
Hello everyone, this is Manjunath from Hyderabad, who is presently taking CA final coaching under Navakar Digital Institute. First of all, let me thank Navakar Digital Institute for giving me this immense opportunity to express myself with you all. As you all know, today is Teachers' Day, a day which honors every teacher for their efforts for making students successful. On this great occasion, my heartiest greetings to all the faculties at Navakar Digital Institute for making us successful in our chosen career. As you all know, Navakar Digital Institute was established in 1997 with just 25 students, but today it has conquered every corner of the country. Approximately 1 lakh plus students are trained under Navakar Digital Institute, which is a benchmark to all the coaching institutes in the country. And my personal thanks to Navakar Digital Institute is off at the times of COVID-19 pandemic, where every coaching center in the country are in the hunt to make extra money from the students by taking extra payment for other coachings and like that. But a big institute like Navakar Digital Institute have come up with a course like Essential course with a very low affordable price for every student is a big initiative in the history of coaching. My heartiest thanks, being one of the beneficiary of that courses, my heartiest thanks to Navakar Digital Institute, and I wish Navakar Digital Institute will grow into new heights. And once again, a very thanks for giving me this opportunity to express myself with you. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Divya Bhanushali. Actually, I want to thanks to Navakar Digital app because that had helped me out a lot. Because when I wanted to see the lectures at that time, I don't have a laptop. So अब मैं पेन ड्राइव परचेज तो कर लूँ, बट मैं देखूँ कैसे उसे. सो इन दैट अबाउट 3-4 डेज में मुझे एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे बोला कि नवकार डिजिटल ऐप है जहाँ पे लेक्चर्स प्रोवाइड आउट कर रहे हैं. तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, ट्राई तो करते हैं. एज अ फ़ोन में अवेलेबल था वो. सो आई ट्राइड आउट एंड रियली द टीचिंग स्टाइल ऑफ ऑल द प्रोफेशनल्स वर ऑसम. They were just excellent. उनका हार्ड वर्क, इवन दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग द बुक्स इन PDF फॉर्म, जो कि हम जेरोक्स भी कर लेंगे यहाँ से आउट करके. तो बहुत ही हेल्प कर रहे हैं. इवन RTPs MTPs सारा कुछ सॉल्व करा रहे हैं ऊपर से नीचे तक. एंड मेन पॉइंट ये है कि वो आपको मोबाइल में प्रोवाइड आउट कर रहे हैं ये ऐप. और जिनकी भी फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ हैं, जो फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज़ थ्रू पास आउट हो रहे हैं, जो पैसों की वजह से अच्छी क्लासेस नहीं ले पाते हैं, नवकार डिजिटल बहुत ही कम पैसों में इतने अच्छे प्रोफेशनल्स प्रोवाइड आउट कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू टू ऑल द टीचर्स, टू ऑल द फैकल्टीज एंड नवकार डिजिटल.
Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Myself Shya Drishti, CA Foundation student of Navakar Institute. Happy Teachers Day through this Greet Without Meet way. As said before, parents are our first teachers and teachers are our second parents. We at Navakar feel blessed to have such a teachers who are ever ready to teach us, help us and guide us. Whether it's induction meeting, mentor meetings, weekly prelims, test, video lectures, live lectures, doubt solving lectures, everything at Navakar is just amazing. Even in this pandemic situations, our course was started by first week of April and by August we are done with it. Everything is just because of our beloved hard-working teachers. So on this occasion, I would like to thank all the teachers who have taught us in this 5 months and who are going to teach us in the coming 3 to 4 years of our CA journey. Thank you all. I'll try my best to score good marks in CA Foundation and make my parents and teachers feel proud. Thank you.
था मैं जिसमें भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चली तो राहबर बने वही. था मैं जिसमें भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चली तो राहबर बने वही. वो मेरे टीचर थी तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें. मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दे नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दे नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे गुनगुनाते। ओ मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही।
Hello, I am Vivek Thakkar, NDI student. I will sing a poem on teachers. देखो आसमान में खिलकर सूरज निकल रहा है, टीचर्स आप लोगों के कंट्रीब्यूशन की वजह से मेरा देश आगे बढ़ रहा है। लिटरेसी का रेट अब इंक्रीज हो रहा है। मेरा देश मेरा देश मेरा देश, टीचर्स आप लोगों के कंट्रीब्यूशन की वजह से मेरा देश बढ़ रहा है, मेरा देश बढ़ रहा है। टीचर्स आपके नॉलेज शेयरिंग की वजह से मेरा देश का हर विद्यार्थी का फ्यूचर बदल रहा है। इस टेक्नोलॉजी के युग में इंडिया ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहा है। मेरा देश मेरा देश मेरा देश, मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। एजुकेशन सेस एज इन सरचार्ज से मेरा देश का डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है। मेरा देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है। थैंक यू टीचर्स।
Hello respected Navkar's faculties, I am Devanshu Prajapati from Kapadwanj and I am a student of CA Foundation level and I am studying in Navkar Institute. First of all, I would like to wish you Happy Teachers Day. Teachers, you proved that something is better than nothing. Due to COVID-19, no one can go out. So, we can't study physically, but you study us on online platform like Navkar Digital Institute and taking the lectures on Zoom application. So thank you for being with us and I am again wishing you Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
A teacher is one who selflessly guides its student consistently to convert his dream into reality. A teacher is a family of student, counselor of student, and a role model of student. A teacher is a bank of motivation, book of inspiration, and an ocean of knowledge. From the water drop to the river, and one day we all become an ocean of knowledge just because teachers, teachings, moral support, and blessings. A very happy Teachers Day to all the Navkar faculties, and thank you for being there always.
A very warm good morning to the stars of the day, respected teachers and all my fellow dear friends. Myself, Anevi Patel, a student of CA Foundation from Navkar Institute. On this special occasion, I am glad to say something regarding Teachers Day. Every year, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who is the second President of India, also a well-known scholar, teacher and promoter of education. Someone has nicely said that teacher can change the lives of us with a right mix of joke and challenges. Teachers are like magicians who, with the use of their magic hands, makes our life more easier and more fruitful. They have been our guiding spirits and role models, so we are so grateful to them. Teachers spend all their years in educating us and making us a better human beings. It is because of you teachers that we are able to have the skills that we do today have. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you teachers what you have done for us. Teachers are backbone of our society. Teachers change our personality and help us to make an ideal citizen of the country. There is a saying that parents give birth to child while teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future to them. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. On this special occasion, I would like to thank my all teachers to support me and to be with me in this tough pandemic situation. Before ending my speech, I would like to say few lines on teachers. सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप. सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, ये सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप. झूठ क्या है, सच क्या है, ये बात समझाते हैं आप. जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी, राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day from bottom of my heart. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
हेलो, आई एम निधि. एक नई सूरज की उम्मीद के साथ मैंने प्रवेश लिया नवकार में और मैं चली सीए की दुनिया में अपनी लाइफ मनाने. लेकिन पूरे विश्व में छा गया कोरोना का संकट और देश में लागू हो गया लॉकडाउन. इसी समय नवकार ने हम संपूर्ण सुविधाएं दी, अपना संपूर्ण बेस दिया. स्टार्टिंग में मुझे लगता था कि सीए बनना बहुत ही हार्ड है, लेकिन नवकार फैकल्टीज के मार्गदर्शन और हौसलों की वजह से अब मुझे लगता है कि सीए बनना इजी है. ऑनलाइन में भी हर समय नवकार ने मेरी हेल्प की है. हमारी कभी आमने सामने मुलाकात नहीं हुई है, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि हम सब स्टूडेंट्स और सब फैकल्टीज के बीच में एक मन गया है अलग सा रिश्ता. आपकी आशीर्वाद मिल जाए तो मैं तो विश्व को छू लूं. आप ही मेरे आदर्श हो, आप ही मेरे मार्गदर्शन हो, आप ही मेरे जीवन में आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा हो. अब मुझे लगता है कि मेरी जीवन की सबसे बड़ी ऊंचाई सीए को तो मैं छू लूंगी. थैंक यू सो मच नवकार. आज के शिक्षक दिन के अवसर पर मैं आप सब फैकल्टीज को खूब खूब शुभेच्छा देती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच नवकार इंस्टीट्यूट.
All my teachers, I am Farheen Dhanani from Navkar Institute. I strongly believe in one of the saying of C.A. Urvish sir, that is, one is our family which gives us our suffix, that is our surname, it may be Shah or Patel, and one is the family, that is our Navkar family, which gives us our prefix, that is CA or CS. So today, on this auspicious day, I pay my highest gratitude to all my teachers of Navkar Institute and also Navkar Public School, where I did my schooling for 11th and 12th, for your generous contribution in my career and life as well. So I can say, like a rare gem found in the depths of the earth, you are one of those jewels whom there is a dearth. Like a prized possession, always safe and secure, your teachings and lessons will be in my heart forever. So, I thank Hitesh sir and his whole team Navkar for converting our negativity and tensions into positivity, converting our weaknesses into strength, our failures into success, our dreams into reality, and our goals and targets into achievement. And I would like to thank for each and every lesson learned from you all in the class, not only academically but also life lessons learned. And so I can say, now you all Navkar teachers not only built our career but also shapes our character. So on this day, I would like to thank you all my teachers from the bottom of my heart, and I seek your blessings on this auspicious day and wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Dear Navkar faculties, a very happy Teachers' Day to all faculty members who teach me at CA Foundation level by virtual learning platform. Every faculty member have good sense of humor, best teaching style and willingness to make his or her student best. You encourage our mind to think, hand to create and heart to love. This is for my dear faculty members. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurue Namah. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much.
Hello Naukar Institute. A very happy Teachers Day to all the mentors and teachers of this Naukar Institute. So especially during these hard COVID times, you have been with us since a long time and you have been helping a lot during these tough times. I once again wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day, and I wish you all reach greatest heights in your lives, and thank you for being with us.
Very good morning to all of you. Myself Rashti Khatri and I am aspirant of CA at Navkar Institute. I hope you all are doing well at your home. So today on this Teachers Day, I like to say some few words on teachers, as well as I like to show a small journey of every CA aspirant. I hope you will like it.
When student of CA saw subjects for the first time,
बच्चों टेंशन मत लो, जब नौकार है साथ तो डरने की क्या बात। आओ चलो सीए फाउंडेशन का सफर।
Again failed. I passed this exam because of the hard work of me and my faculties. Once again, a very happy Teachers Day to each and every faculties of Navkar Institute. You gave us the wings to fly. You shaped our mind. You gave us a safe place to grow. We are nothing without you. Stay safe, stay healthy. And last में एक बात बोलना चाहूँगी कि CA मतलब नवकार इंस्टीट्यूट. Thank you.
कहना है एक बड़ा सा thank you towards me.
Hello to the all faculties of Navkar Institute. I am Niyati Nayak and I want to tell all of you a very happy Teachers Day. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि नवकार ने इस तरह मुझे आप सबको ग्रीट करने का मौका दिया है. आपने हर बार हमें बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़ाया है, फिर जूम लेक्चर हो या वीडियो लेक्चर, कभी कभी स्ट्रिक्ट होके, कभी कभी प्यार से. आपने हमेशा आपका 100% दिया है और इसके लिए मैं आप सबको जितना भी थैंक यू कहूँ उतना कम है. तो ये कुछ लाइंस आप सब टीचर्स के लिए. लॉ की केस स्टडी हो या इको का डायग्राम हो, अकाउंट की एंट्री हो या मैथमेटिक्स का ग्राफ हो, लॉ की केस स्टडी हो या इको का डायग्राम हो, अकाउंट की एंट्री हो या मैथमेटिक्स का ग्राफ हो, हर एक क्वेरी का सॉल्यूशन है क्योंकि हमारे टीचर्स आप हो. Once again, thank you very much and a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello to all Navkar faculties. Myself Sita Salve and I am from Patan, Gujarat. On this Teachers Day, I want to dedicate a song to all Navkar faculties. So here I am going to start. देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदे, पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर. ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें, उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा कर दे, मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे, ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे, खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर. जैसे आँखों की डिबिया में निंदिया और निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई, जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी, जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी, जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता सा कोई। ये तो आशा की लहर है, ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है, खुशियों की लहर है, खो न जाइए तारे ज़मीं पर, खो न जाइए तारे ज़मीं पर। थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
न जाने कब 12th खत्म हुआ और शुरू हुआ नवकार के साथ ये सुहाना सफर। चलते चलते कब महीनों बीत गए उसका तो एहसास ही नहीं हुआ। Navkar faculties have been super amazing with everything they do. May it be their teaching styles, tactics, poems, their write-ups, performances or anything. They have won our hearts completely through their live sessions and YouTube videos. I just wonder how beautiful, exciting and fun-filled each moment would be when we are there with them together. When it comes to our goals, they have been immensely dedicated and diligent. Every day we have something new, something innovative from their side which boosts us even more towards our goals. Mentors are just a call away when we are stuck somewhere, mentally or academically. Not only this Teachers' Day, but I want to thank you each day for giving us the greatest gift every day, that is wisdom. The lessons you have given me will stay with me forever to guide me at every step of my life. I'm highly grateful to be a part of Navkar family, where I have people who are there to support and guide me at every stage and lead me to my destination. Super excited to be there with you all physically and to cherish a plethora of beautiful moments with you all. Thank you, teachers. #Proud Navkarite.
From good morning teacher to welcome back to Navkar Digital Institute कि ये journey, I don't know why I feel like a very positive approach. हालांकि अभी तो मेरी journey as a Navkarite शुरू हुई है, but the way of teaching is so much student friendly कि now I feel like I am a family member at Navkar, उर्फ हम सभी का नवकार डिजिटल इंस्टीट्यूट। नॉलेज का है समंदर ये बढ़िया, सीखो कुछ नया भूलकर कमजोरियाँ। अंदाज अलग है आप सबके अपने, आई विश पूरे होंगे सबके सपने। डिजिटल के मीडियम से आपने पढ़ाया, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस और बढ़ाया। So on this auspicious occasion, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you very much for teaching us all those concepts and life values. Thank you very much.
नमस्ते, शिक्षक महिमा गान। Teacher, you are the light of life. Teacher, you are the light of life. Teacher, oh Shakti. Teacher, oh Vidya. Ya Devi Sarvabhutishu Vidyarupena Sanstita. Namastasye, 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 namo namah. Teacher, you are doer of life. Teacher, you are maker of life. Teacher, oh Shakti. Teacher, oh Vidya. Ya Devi Sarvabhutishu Vidyarupena Sanstita. Namastasye, 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 namo namah. Teacher, you teach us well. Teacher, you care for us. Teacher, oh Shakti. Teacher, oh Vidya. Ya Devi Sarvabhutishu Vidyarupena Sanstita. Namastasye, 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 namo Nama. Thank you all the Navkar faculties out there and staff members. Thank you for the support.
Hi, this is Praveen Kumar from Hyderabad. I am the CA final candidate who are presently taking CA final coaching in Navkar Digital Institute. So here I am to wish my lecturers, teachers who are guiding us on all our way to get qualified as chartered accountants a happy Teachers Day to all. And one word about Navkar Digital Institute is super and fantastic. I cannot get more than that word, because the way they teach us and the way they guide us is an ultimate, and they will take care of their students in all the way without going in a out of track. They will guide their students in a proper way to get success in their path. So here I am the very proud to say that I am the student of Navkar Digital Institute. So I wish very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers, video lectures, and thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to my Navkar family. I am a Ketan Rawal. I am a Navkarian. जैसे कि आप जानते हो, टीचर्स हु शोज द पास टू द स्टूडेंट, बट नवकार ऐसा नहीं है. नवकार पास तो दिखाएगा लेकिन वो आपके साथ भी चलेगा. और जैसे कि अभी सब लोग बोलते हैं कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर डिफिकल्ट, बच्चे पढ़ नहीं पाते, डाउट आते हैं. लेकिन जब आपके पास नवकार जैसे फैकल्टीज है तब आपको डाउट आने का तो सवाल ही नहीं है, क्योंकि वो जो लेवल से पढ़ाते हैं, ये जो ब्रह्मास्त्र है, जो कि सब स्टूडेंट्स को लिए सबके साथ है. मीनिंग देयर बाय ये जो नवकार फैमिली एक पूरा वर्ल्ड है, बच्चों के लिए पूरा वर्ल्ड है, ये सबके लिए दुनिया है. थैंक यू सो मच. वी बिलीव इन द बेस्ट. आई होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. वंस अगेन हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू माय नवका फैमिली.
We can learn and speak, we can stand and move, and all these capabilities are firstly poured into our cup of tea by our parents, the first and foremost gurus of our life. And those parents hands us over in the hands of somebody who makes everybody feel like a somebody who attempts to create the reader of today, the leader of tomorrow. That is our teachers. They teach us how to inhale the learning and exhale the writing. Though sometimes they hurt us, they scratch us, but they better know how to heal us, and in the end we are polished. Their head has a bullhorn, but their love is much louder. Thanks to the teachers of Navkar Institute. And in a nutshell, at Navkar we don't do easy. We make easy happen through hard work, smart work and learning. And yeah, happy Teachers Day.
मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको शरण में लाके, रौनक मिली जहाँ की चरणों में गुरु के आके. गुरु तेरे चरणों में मैंने तो जहाँ पाया, मिल गई सारी खुशियाँ.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मा, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. This is for those who inspire us today, every day, who always lend a helping hand to help us show the way. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have always been there in everything you do. We hope that you are proud of us, as we all are proud of you. Thank you.
Teacher. I think it is one of the most important and powerful word of our dictionary, because the teacher is the only one who can change the life of his or her student. Even if the student is disabled, the teacher does not teach only the academic lessons, but they also teach us some important life lessons which will help us in our life journey. On this Teachers' Day, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thanks to all the faculties of Naukar Institute for being an important part of my life and turning my life in a good direction. Thank you.
टीचर की एक आदत होती है भूल जाने की। कभी चश्मा भूल जाते हैं तो कभी घड़ी, कभी भूल जाते हैं दोपहर का खाना, क्लास कब खत्म हो गया ये भी भूल जाते हैं। देर रात को किसी स्टूडेंट ने अचानक फोन किया कुछ पूछने के लिए तो भूल जाते हैं अभी सोने का वक्त है। भूल जाते हैं कब किसको डांटा था, कब किसने उनके क्लास में कौन सी शरारत की थी, किस नाम से बुलाते थे उनको। टीचर भूल जाते हैं किसका क्या धर्म था, छोटा या बड़ा घर था, कौन झोपड़ी में रहता था, कौन महल में। टीचर को बस एक स्टूडेंट याद रहता है सारी जिंदगी, और हम स्टूडेंट्स आपको कभी नहीं भूलते हैं टीचर। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September in the memory of scholar, philosopher, a great teacher, and Bharat Ratna awarded our second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. This day is celebrated across the country by students to thank their teachers for their incredible support and guidance. I believe teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Our parents give us birth and make us stand in the track, but the teachers are those who teach us to run on that track with the right direction. I feel that teacher is just like candle who melts itself to light the way for others. Apart from academic, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become a better person. The one who never claim copyright for their creation. Let us all thank them for the tireless work they do every day. Also, on this beautiful occasion, let's take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who has given best contribution for shaping us. So at last, thanks Naukar Institute for providing us an opportunity to express our feeling for our faculty with the concept of grit without meat. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all the teachers of Naukar Institute, and I want to thank all of them because they're working so hard behind us. They're making us learn everything. They're making video lectures. They're keeping online classes, and due to this, they're not stepping back due to this pandemic, and I'm so inspired by that. And I must say, I won't let any of my teachers down. Yeah, I've not seen all of you, but still I know all of you because behind all the video lectures, I have seen everybody due to online lectures, and so I'm very excited to see all of you, and you are the one because of whom we reach our destination, and I'm so thankful to all of you because you are making us learn even in this pandemic, and yeah, so thank you so much. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself.
I'm Mansi Khund. I'm studying in the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. But now I'm going to study with Navkar Institute and I'm really excited for that. So yeah, thank you so much.
Happy Teachers Day to all the family members of Navkar Institute. We guys are so lucky to have you guys as our mentors. First of all, you guys are great source of motivation and inspiration for freshers like us. वैसे तो सीए की जर्नी में फाउंडेशन की सीढ़ियाँ तो आपने ही चढ़वाई है. हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि फाइनल ईयर तक आप ही ले जाएंगे और आपसे ही सीख के हम एक सक्सेसफुल सीए बन पाएंगे. सच क्या है, झूठ क्या है, ये आपने ही सिखाया है. क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, ये भी आपने ही समझाया है. ये लॉ लर्न करो, वो लॉ लर्न करो, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये सब भी आप ही ने हमें सिखाया है. हम बहुत 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 ही लकी हैं कि आप सब हमें मिले और we guys are so happy to have you guys as our mentors and our inspiration. You guys are great source of motivation. Thank you for motivating us all the days. Not even a single day was there when we didn't get any motivation messages or something like that from our mentors, as well as we used to get the messages from Navkar. Thank you so much for everything. We guys are so lucky to have you. Happy Teachers Day once.
कान पकड़ उठक बैठक थी कभी, छड़ियों की बरसात हुई कभी, समझ ना पाई उस क्षण में कि अनुशासन की शुरुआत हुई थी. मुखमंडल पर अंगार कभी, आंखों में निर्छल प्यार कभी, और कभी दिल में माँ की ममता. Words cannot describe Navkar's faculty members and Navkar Institute, but I just want to say Happy Teachers Day to each and every faculty members of Navkar. This was my small effort to say thank you to all. Navkar's faculty members have not only taught us that how to become a successful chartered accountant and how to achieve our goals, but they have also taught us that how to become good person in real life and how to gain discipline in our lives. Whenever we all students felt dejected or demotivated, faculty members have always helped us and they have always motivated us to achieve our goals. And I am very glad and very blessed to become part of Navkar's family and Navkar Institute. Once again, thank you very much and Happy Teachers Day to you all.
नमस्कार. आज शिक्षक दिन के इस पावन पर्व पर मैं कुछ शब्द कहना चाहूँगा कि जो मेरे लिखित है कि शिक्षक हमारे जीवन में क्या महत्व रखते हैं, उसको मैंने एक काव्य के ज़रिए व्यक्त किया है. तो ये है काव्य. जन्म के बाद दूसरे वालिदैन है शिक्षक, जन्म के बाद दूसरे वालिदैन है शिक्षक, सिखाए जीवन जीना शिक्षक. पथ प्रदर्शक है शिक्षक, जीवन की ठोकरों का मलहम है शिक्षक. पथ प्रदर्शक है शिक्षक, जीवन की ठोकरों का मलहम है शिक्षक. विद्यार्थी के जीवन का महत्व अंग है शिक्षक. मजबूत राष्ट्र की नींव है शिक्षक, युवाओं के प्रेरणा स्रोत है शिक्षक. मजबूत राष्ट्र की नींव है शिक्षक, युवाओं के प्रेरणा स्रोत है शिक्षक. प्रेरणा को चरितार्थ करे वो है शिक्षक. चारित्र की मूरत है शिक्षक, चारित्र की मूरत है शिक्षक. देश के युवा को मूर्तिमान करे शिक्षक. व्यक्ति की सफलता का आदर्श है शिक्षक, हमारे शुभ चिंतक है शिक्षक. शिक्षक दिन के इस पावन पर्व पर केवल मेरे गुरुजनों को ही नहीं, समग्र विश्व, मेरा देश, मेरे सभी गुरुजनों, मेरे सभी शुभचिंतकों को, मेरे सभी बड़े लोग, मेरे आदर्श, इन सबको शिक्षक दिन की बधाई हो. शिक्षक दिन की मैं शुभकामनाएं पाठता हूँ और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि शिक्षक के बारे में जितना लिखे उतना कम है, क्योंकि हमारे जीवन के शुरू के काल से ही शिक्षक का जो महत्व है वो अंत तक उतना ही रहता है, उसमें कोई दो राय नहीं कि वो कम होता है। शिक्षक दिन की सभी को फिर से शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद।
शीर्षक है शिक्षा का रक्षक शिक्षक। शिक्षा का सम्मान है शिक्षक, विद्या का वरदान है शिक्षक। शिक्षा का सम्मान है शिक्षक, विद्या का वरदान है शिक्षक। सब बच्चों के जीवन में शिक्षा का रोशनदान है शिक्षक। सही गलत का फर्क बताया, सही हमेशा चुनना सिखाया। सही गलत का फर्क बताया, सही हमेशा चुनना सिखाया। रोड़े तो है कई राहों में, पर अड़िग होकर चलना सिखाया। निपुणता के सानिध्य में ज्ञान का अमृत पान है शिक्षक। विद्या और विद्यार्थी दोनों की पहचान है शिक्षक। संसार का सारा ज्ञान है शिक्षक, शिक्षा का वो है खुद ही साया। गिरे जब भी जिंदगी में उन्होंने ही संभलना सिखाया। शिष्ट का ये बीज बोकर पौधे को ये पेड़ बनाते, शिष्ट का ये बीज बोकर पौधे को ये पेड़ बनाते। प्राणी को इंसान बनाकर सभ्यता से ये देश सजाते। जीवन के प्रश्नों के तिमिर में प्रकाश में जवाबों की मिसाल है शिक्षक। जीवन के प्रश्नों के तिमिर में प्रकाश में जवाबों की मिसाल है शिक्षक। और विनम्रता, निपुणता, ज्ञान, विवेक और सफलता।
A very, very happy Teachers of the Day to all my Navkar faculties. I am Khushi Gupta from CS student. I am here to represent a very wonderful poem on this wonderful day. I asked her, "Why are you so gentle?" And she answered, "To make you peaceful." I asked her, "Why are you so friendly?" And she answered, "So that you learn friendship." I asked her, "Why are you concerned about me?" And she answered, "So that you learn to care." I asked her, "Why are you so polite?" And she answered, "So that you learn politeness." I asked her, "Why are you so encouraging?" And she answered, "So that you gain confidence." I asked her, "Why are you so tolerant?" And she answered, "So that you learn to be patient." I asked her, "Why do you forgive me every time?" And she answered, "So to make you realize the value of forgiveness." I asked her, "Why are you so faithful?" And she answered, "So that you learn to trust." I asked her, "Why are you so positive?" And she answered, "So that you learn to seek hope." I asked her, "Why are you so perfect?" And she answered, "To make you perfect." I asked her, "Why are you leaving me?" And smiling, she answered, "So that you become independent." I asked her, "Why did you allow me to develop an unbreakable internal bond with you?" And she answered, "That you have someone to share your problems with." Thank you so much. Once again, a very, very happy Teachers of the Day.
आज का यह शिक्षक दिन बहुत हर्ष उल्लास के साथ मना रहे हैं। कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी के बीच हमको हमारे गुरुजन का गुणगान करने का अवसर मिला है। उसके लिए हमारे स्कूल मैनेजमेंट का और हमारे गुरुजन का हृदयपूर्वक आभार प्राप्त करती हूँ। शिक्षक यानी गुरु। गुरु का अर्थ है अंधकार और रू माने प्रकाश, जो हमारे भीतर अंधकार से ज्ञान पूर्वक प्रकाश फैला देते हैं, जो हमारे अंदर संस्कार का चिंतन करते हैं और हमारे चरित्र एवं जीवन का निर्माण करने की उचित शिखर पर पहुंचा दे। हमारे गुरुजन कुंभार की तरह हमारा जीवन का निर्माण करने के लिए बहुत बड़ा योगदान छिपा हुआ है। गुरु कुंभार शिष्य कुंभ है, घड़ी घड़ी काटे कोट, अंदर हार बाजार है, बाहर मारे चोट। जैसे कुंभार मिट्टी के घड़े को आकार देते हैं और अंदर हाथ रखने से वो टूटता नहीं है, उसी तरह हमारे गुरुजन हमारे भविष्य निर्माण की चिंता करते हुए कभी कभी हमारे हाथ कटपन करते हैं और साथ में भीतर से स्नेह भी करते हैं, ताकि हमारे मनोबल और आत्मबल बना रहे और हम अच्छी तरह पढ़ाई करें। शिक्षक हमारे मित्र, गाइड और फिलोसोफर की तरह बिहेव करते हैं। आप सभी गुरुजन को करबदन प्रणाम करती हूँ और आप सभी गुरुजन का हमें आशीष प्राप्त हो ऐसी प्रार्थना करती हूँ। आपकी शिष्या वंदना मोदी।
Our hardworking teachers. Hardly 2 months have passed since I enrolled myself for the company secretary course. But although the pandemic is swirling around, I come to the conclusion that no other institute can provide any better education than that of Naukar, and of course the credit lies with the teachers. Just like the cell, which is the building block of our body, our teachers are the building blocks for our lives. A teacher in every way helps the students to relish their potentiality and make them realize their worth. They are the gleaming hope of the darkness, the brightness of the society, and the aspiration of our future. It's captivating how each teacher possesses qualities that are worth cherishing. Like Nauka Ma'am stands as an epitome of inspiration, and she continuously stimulates us to study more. Akansha Ma'am as an epitome of tranquility. Chandini Ma'am is the best content presenter, and how beautifully Deepak Sir taught us that it's fun learning maths. I have not mentioned each teacher here, but all of them have qualities worth possessing. So here, I would like to take this moment and thank all the teachers for inspiring us to aspire. And lastly, great inventors and leaders are not born. They are.
If you like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more such videos and learn from our expert faculty members. Press the bell icon to get regular notifications whenever we upload a new video. Download NDI mobile app to get complete CA course online. We value your support. Thank you for watching.